Hey, welcome to Mr. Foley's Kitchen. Today it's our science lab, and today for our science experiment we're going to make a cloud in a jar. What would you say if I told you I could make a cloud inside that jar?
That's impossible.
Oh, so you say, but we're going to do it. Okay, through the power of...
I'd like to see that.
You're going to. Through the power of condensation. Do you know what condensation is, Wyatt?
Never heard of it.
So have you ever had, like, on a really hot day, you've got a glass of cold ice water in a cup, and all that water on the outside of the glass, that's condensation. So we're going to make some condensation. That's the way the clouds form too. It's just big condensation. Okay? So I'm going to take this water, just regular really hot water. It was just on the stove boiling.
Then why is it blue?
I put some blue food coloring in it so that we can see it really good. We're going to put that in this jar, and then we're going to spray. You have to have an aerosol spray. So I'm using bug spray. You could use hairspray, whatever you got. This might be a little bit stinky, but that's okay. We're just going to do a squirt in there real quick. I'll do that part too. And then we're going to screw the lid on.
That's what
After we screw the lid on, we're going to put some ice cubes on top of the jar. And what that's going to do is all this hot water on the bottom, it's going to create steam like it is right now. You can see it steaming now. And the steam's going to rise up. Then it's going to hit the top where it's going to be cold from the ice. And that's going to make the water cool down and form a cloud. And it's going to join with the aerosol and the bug spray, and we'll be able to see a nice cloud in there. And it's going to kind of rotate a little bit. So we'll have to look really close for that. You ready to try this?
Yeah.
All right, let's see if we can make a cloud in a jar.
Do I do anything?
Yeah, you are going to put the ice in. All right, so there's our hot water. A bit of bug spray. You want to put the lid on?
Put that on top.
Okay, I'll put it on fast. Just screw that on. Go ahead and put the ice cubes on there. If you get down here and look, ooh, man, that bug spray's a little strong.
Yeah, it is.
But it's many as you can get on there.
About 5 probably.
Maybe. Yeah, we'll see. One more? All right, let's scoot it. Let's look close down here and see what we can see. What do you see in there?
Nothing so far.
Nothing much. Oh, I see a little bit of it steaming around here. And it could be that our bug spray might not be letting this work. Or it could be that our lid needs to get cold first. So I'm starting to see it now. Looking close? Yeah, I'm starting to see some stuff now. Can you see that on the camera? Come a little bit closer.
It looks a little steamy.
Yeah, we're getting some steam in there. It's not super thick in there right now, and I think maybe that could be the bug spray would be a problem. So if you've got hairspray at home, I want you to try this out. This is a pretty simple thing that you can try at home. And see if it works better with the hairspray and let us know. Because I think the bug spray was not a good choice. But
we don't have no hairspray.
We didn't have any hairspray. We're a house full of boys and a mummy with short hair. So no hairspray in this house. Sorry, guys. Yep. So this, remember what I said in our last video, this is not a failure. We just found one way that it doesn't work. So maybe someday after quarantine, we'll get some hairspray and we'll try this again and we'll find a way that it does work.
Told you that's impossible.
I guess for this one, it might have been impossible with our ingredients. So you got me on that.
1-to-1.
So you got me on this one. This time, it might have been impossible. Yep.
Next time I don't know what to pick.
I don't know.
It's 50-50.
It's 50-50 right now. So guys, try it at home. Let us know if it worked for you, because not this time for us. All right, bye.